that's right.
Let me see. I'm not. Tell me if it hurt.
Oh.
That don't
It's
hurt.
already coming out. You feel it? It's already out.
So you just need to pull.
Push it down like I just did his teeth the other day. It's already hanging down. Look, show
It's
Mama.
dangling.
See? It's already down. I just need to
Ooh.
You recording it?
Yeah.
open for Nene. I ain't doing nothing. I ain't touching it. Look, I'm not doing nothing. Am I? Am I? I'm not doing nothing. I ain't putting no pressure on it. Open your mouth. Open.
Oh, wow. It came out. Why? I thought you wanted the tooth fairy to come.
Open. No. It's open. Let me show. Open.
You gotta bite on the tissue.
Close your mouth. There you go. Come on.
Oh, it's okay.
Saya, what are you crying for? What happened? What happened? You don't even know.